Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. In this video I'm just going to share some of the castings I recently acquired and the videos for whom gonna come really soon. This is the first one. It's a 2-pack. It's a Hot Wheels premium set and it has got a Nissan 180 SX and Nissan Celeity. So you can see it's a premium casting and they look good, has good details. So the video will be coming soon on this one too, and I will show the other castings too. Next is this Gordon Murray automatic T33. This is new for 2025, and again it's a mainline casting, looks really good. After this we've got this beautiful 2021 Lexus LC500. Again it's a mainline casting, it's by Matchbox, and it looks really good, really good. We have also got this Tesla Cyberquad, new for 2025 by Hot Wheels. (2023) Dodge Charger Pursuit car, and again this is new for 2025. It's by Matchbox. 2017 Toyota Land Cruiser 78 pickup. Again it's new for 2025 and it's by Matchbox. We have also got this 1997 Acura Integra Type R. Again it's by Matchbox, it's a mainline and it's new for 2025. Apart from these I also have some other Hot Wheels. We have this Chevy Blazer 4x4. I'm pretty sure this is a painted casting, it's not a new one. Same goes for this Chevy Super Bolt. I didn't have this before, so it's new for me, but I'm sure it was released before too. Also this Ford Escort, again it's mainline. I think there's already a premium of this one, not sure, but we also got this. Last but not the least, 71 Lamborghini Miura SP, again a mainline. It's a good looking casting. So these are all the castings that I will be reviewing soon, and the videos will be coming out in coming weeks.